Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send and receive any cryptocurrency from Binance to any exchange, or to send from any exchange to Binance. So once you open Binance will take you to the home page. Now if you want to send any cryptocurrency, go to wallet and go to withdraw. Once you go to withdraw, you can see FTM, MIR, USDT. This is where I have money. But assuming you want to send Bitcoin, click here and write BTC. Once you write BTC, click on the BTC and send via crypto network. Although you can still send via email if you're sending to Binance user. I'm using Binance. You can still send from Binance to Binance through email or through phone or Pay ID. But I'm going to use send via crypto network. Now, once you're here, assuming you want to send to another wallet, let's say assuming you want to send to Get.io, click on Get.io. You want to send from Binance to Get.io, click on Get.io. Go to wallet, the down right button, click on it. Now go to deposit. Once you click on deposit, click here, search BTC. Now click on BTC. You're depositing. Don't forget, click on deposit. Now copy this address. Copy. Don't forget, you click on deposit because you're depositing money in this wallet. Now type BTC. Click on BTC. Now copy this address. Once you copy this address, go back to Binance and paste this address. Once you paste this address, you select Bitcoin network, confirm. Once you have money in your Binance, this withdraw button will be active. Once the withdraw button is active, it's showing yellow. Click on withdraw, and the money will be sent to Get.io exchange or wallet. Now let me show you, in case if you want to withdraw USDT, open your Binance. Let's assume we are on the home page. Go to wallet, click on withdraw. This is very, very important. Type USDT. USDT is already here. Click on USDT. Send via crypto network. Now USDT is very, very important because once you paste your address, let's copy the address, go back to Get.io, click on deposit. Click on search, write USDT. Now USDT, if you want to send crypto through USDT, I will advise you to use TRC20, which is this. TRC20 is cheaper. It will only charge you only $1. But if you use any other network, some of these networks, they will charge you $20, $25. So always use TRC20. Once you click on TRC20, now click on copy, go back, send, paste the address, select network. If you're selecting network, don't select any other network. Make sure you scroll and select TRC20. Confirm, then specify the amount, let's say $100. And once you have money there, this button, withdrawal button, will be highlighted. It will be showing yellow. Click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it will tell you to send a code to your phone or your email. Click on send code to your email or your phone number. Copy the code and paste and confirm the transaction, and the transaction will go through. So make sure that every time you're sending your crypto, both the receiving end and the sending end is using the same network. So don't make this mistake, because you end up losing your coins if you send to the wrong network. If this is your first time of watching my video, my name is Aswikena Kingsley, and if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section below this video.